What happens if you ignore that warning light?
A lot of people think that they already know the answer. Especially experienced drivers. Yeah, oil, light, temperature, got it. But here is the truth, it's not that simple. I have seen people with 20 years behind the wheel ruin their engines or kill their brakes because they thought a light could wait. So this video isn't just for new drivers, it's for everyone. Because the way you react to these lights decides whether you spend 50 pounds today or 5,000 tomorrow. Today I will break down the warning lights you can't afford to ignore and what really happens if you do.
So what if I ignore the oil pressure light, the little oil can?
I would call it red alert number 1, it's game over. Low oil pressure means your engine is starving. No oil fill between the parts, just metal grinding on metal. Within minutes, bearings wear out, piston seize and the whole engine locks up. Ignore it and you are not paying 50 pounds for an oil change. You are paying 5,000 pounds for rebuild or scrapping. Even seasoned drivers have been caught out by this, thinking they could make it home. Spoiler, they didn't.
What about the brake warning light?
That's not just a symbol, it means that you got a low fluid, worn parts or even a failing ABS pump. Ignore it and the next time you slam the pedal, it might go straight to the floor. I have seen a single car just towed after ignored brake light that turned into a full brake failure. It's not just expensive, it's deadly. Next alert, temperature overheating, means stop immediately. Overheating warps the cylinder heads, blows the head gaskets and even cracks the block. Keep driving and that 20 pounds thermostat that you skipped becomes 2000 bill. Some drivers think that pulling over and cooling it once solves it. Wrong. Once overheated, damage is baked in. If you ignore this light, your engine's days are numbered.
The most common, check engine light. Doesn't everyone ignore that?
Yes, let's talk about yellow warning lights, and that's the trap, because sometimes it's just a loose fuel cap. But it could also mean misfires, failing catalytic converter or clogged injectors. Ignore it and that 100-pound sensor turns into 1000 exhaust job. And here is the bigger danger, I would say hidden danger. Once that light is on, if another problem shows up, you will not know. The light was already lit, so the new fault hides behind it. That's how people end up missing serious issues until it's too late. The longer you drive with it on, the more hidden damage stacks up.
What if the tire pressure light comes on, but the car feels fine?
That's a dangerous illusion. A low tire runs hot, wears unevenly, and can blow out without warning. I'm sure you have seen shredded bits of tire on the motorway, and sometimes the car sitting in the ditch right next to them. And that's often what happens when people ignore this light. It's not just safety. Underinflated tires waste fuel and wears out twice as fast. So yours "I will check later" turns into buying tires sooner, burning more fuel and maybe even wrecking the car.
And the battery light? The car still runs, right?
For a little while, but that light is usually means that alternator is failing. Without it, the car runs purely on the battery until it dies. When it does, you lose power steering, headlights and all electronics. And imagine this on the dark motorway in the rain. Ignore this and you are not just stranded, you are in real danger.
What about the smaller lights, like airbags or traction control?
They don't stop your day, but they cripple you when it counts. And airbag light means no airbags in a crash. A traction control light means you are one icy corner away from spinning off the road. They might seem like minor lights, but when the moment comes, they are the difference between walking away and not.
So what really happens if you ignore warning lights?
Every ignored light costs more later. A 50-pound sensor becomes 500 pounds repair. A 200-pound service becomes 5,000 disaster. These lights aren't decorations, they are your car begging for help. Even if you have been driving 20 years, the rule is the same. React early, pay less and stay safe. Ignore it and you are not saving money, you are burning it.
So, what's the takeaway?
It's simple. Red means stop now, yellow means don't delay. Listen to your dash and you will save your car, your wallet and maybe your life. Was helpful? Don't miss out, subscribe for more.